Make affiliate marketing easier with these tips. Do you remember back before you even used affiliate marketing to help with your company growth? You probably wonder how you even managed at the time. It is important to make sure you stay on top of the current trends, and this video is just for your situation. Watch out for minimum rates. Some companies will charge you a monthly fee, but that fee may increase if they do not get the amount of buyers from your website agreed upon in your contract. Read carefully to find out what these fees are, as they are sometimes not clearly listed. Any affiliate company you choose to work with should offer you a wide range of materials to use. It is in a company's best interest to help its affiliates generate traffic so that everyone can profit. So if a company is not offering resources for you, you should realize that this company is not worth working for. Affiliate marketers should understand that there's a huge difference between clicking through a link to visit a page and actually paying for a product. This means you need to focus on the quality of your content and on the quality of the products you select. It is not enough that visitors click. They have to buy. Many stay-at-home parents are using affiliate marketing to make extra money or as a second income. Blogging about products and getting their blog out to the public can really earn them a decent income. Having extra time between activities is just enough to make some extra cash. To summarize, you have been around affiliate marketing and have a pretty decent grasp as to how to use it to help you. What is important is that you stay current on the new ideas and standards that are used. Hopefully this video will guide you in the right direction. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.